Hi, I'm Robert Lisatz, and today we are going to talk about foraging mushrooms and cooking mushrooms. But we will approach this topic from a completely different angle. We as human beings have lost the connection to our land, to Mother Earth completely. Learning how to forage, dry, or freeze mushrooms so you can eat them later is a useful skill that you should acquire. If possible, learn foraging mushrooms from experts. Who is an expert on this topic? The answer is the one who has foraged mushrooms for many years and ate them as well and is today still alive. In many cases, you can learn from your parents and grandparents. If so, take that chance, learn from them, and the mushroom foraging tradition will be passed to your future generations. Why is foraging mushrooms such an important skill? It's important because it's a good and rewarding starting point that can inspire you to explore foraging different plants. And maybe you will start even with fishing and hunting. These are activities that are deepening the bond between you and your land. The question is, how do you process mushrooms if you don't eat them right away when you're returning from your foraging trip? Some mushroom species can be dried in the sun, and if you're in a hurry, you can optimize the whole process and dry them in a hot and dry room which is additionally heated. This is how my father dries mushrooms, and you can use this approach too, especially when there is bad weather and no sunshine. You can use these dry mushrooms in winter to cook a hot and delicious mushroom soup. Our family tradition is to deep freeze exceptional beautiful pieces of mushrooms. You can use those pieces to create an awesome mushroom sauce or a mushroom soup as well. More and more do I understand how deep the bond between my ancestors and their piece of land was. It's a connection that nowadays in many cases got lost because of the modern way of life. The good thing is that we can re-establish this precious connection to the place where we live. The better the connection to your land, the deeper the relationship is going to be that you're going to experience. The better the relationship to your land is, the more respect, love, and gratitude you will feel that you and your land are actually one. As you can see, foraging, processing, and cooking mushrooms can be a cool and useful activity that can be a beginning of a beautiful relationship between you and the place where you live. Foraging mushrooms, berries, hazelnuts, chestnuts, apples, cherries helped me to rediscover this connection. Maybe this is also a path that you want to explore for yourself. If you want to take the whole thing a step further, involve your kids and grandkids as well. Maybe they will not understand your intentions, but believe me, you will plant a very important seed in them. If you're interested in how my grandmother, who was a cook, used to make dandelion salad, click on the end screen. This channel is all about being safe, fit and prepared, and these are the qualities you need if you want to be a modern day samurai. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye.